good morning, one and all. So we are so happy to stand here today on this very auspicious day to share our sadhana, our practice with you all guys. And we are really blessed that we could perform this yoga today with nature, and so happy that we could meet our superstar on screen, off screen superstar Suresh Gopi sir. So we are so blessed. So we'll be having a very short practice, yoga practices. So we'll start with a very short prayer. So sit straight, keep your spine straight. You can place your both hands in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes if you're comfortable. We'll start with 3 minutes and a very short prayer. सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. We'll start with a simple warm-up exercise, Chalana Kriya, to improve the microcirculation. So we can stand up. Standing position, you can come up in a standing position. So we'll be doing it together, and we'll be giving the mirror image so that it will be easy for you to practice. So neck exercise, we do the complete rotation of the neck exercise. Stand comfortably, legs comfortably apart. Place your both hands on your waist. Keep focusing on your breathing and make gentle movement. Inhale, exhale.
ഏറ്റവും പുതിയ വാർത്തകളും വിശേഷങ്ങളും വിരൽത്തുമ്പിലറിയാൻ സീ മലയാളം ന്യൂസ് എല്ലാ ഡിജിറ്റൽ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോമുകളിലും ലഭ്യം.